Oh guys, what's happening here? We have a flute player. So we have the flute player there. I was trying to make a video. I was actually just walking towards him and he just stopped playing. He was like, you have to give me money. Well, I don't know what he was saying, but he was like pointing to some coins that he had laying out there, and he was like acting angry, like I have to pay. He didn't even give me the opportunity to give him something. I was walking from the other side towards him. Probably I would have given something after I made a little video. He plays here in the public space. When I give it, it's out of sympathy as well. And this guy is not sympathetic at all. Now he starts playing again. We are leaving the Volga behind us because we are arriving here in the heart of Durres. And there's a lot going on here, guys. We have this beautiful statue here in the middle of the roundabout. We have the old historic watchtower and a piece of the old wall. Behind there we have a skyscraper which looks crazy. Look at that, it's totally damaged. It almost looks like it's going to fall apart. There on the other side of the roundabout they're constructing a very fancy bridge. You can see the bridge is already constructed, but they're still like finishing the roof and you cannot cross the bridge yet. Let's go a bit closer to the action here. Wow, look at this abandoned building. We can just walk in here. Wow, and all the walls are broken. Let's have a look if we can go up this tower. I've seen some people up there, so it should be possible.
No, please, man.
Those are some very big steps to go up here. Not that many. It's not very high. Ooh. Wow. So there's the Volga and the seaside. And on this side we have the port of Durres. And we can also see the new bridge which is still under construction. Well, there's not so much to do here. You can just walk around the little watchtower. I don't get it, it's a very low watchtower. I get it when they build it. Those buildings were not there. But it's a nice little thing to visit and it's free. No reason not to do it. Let's go back down and let's have a look in the streets around here. Have to be very careful here. Okay guys, that was the watchtower of Durres. Let's have a quick look at the new bridge that they are constructing here. It seems like they definitely want to promote this area here as a tourist destination. And the nice thing about this bridge is that at the other side we have this beautiful street, straight out of Los Angeles, for example. The only giveaway is of course the mosque at the end of the street. But look how beautiful lined up these trees are.